Hi everybody, welcome back and thank you for joining me today on my channel. If you enjoy the content on my channel, please do consider hitting the like, share and subscribe buttons, and if you're new here, do check out my other videos. A big shout out to my channel members Art by Sparkle, Travelling Trams, Terry Lectioner and Kim Cuervo. I really appreciate all your support. Before I forget, here are some discount codes for colour art, resiners and APS foils should you want to save some money on art supplies. And today, my friends, I'm going to do a quick unboxing from Art in the UK, an art company that's online. It's one of the UK's leading art materials suppliers and they have some really good deals on sometimes. This is just a 3.5 minute video, so it'll be over in a flash, so I hope you enjoy it. So let's see what's in here waiting for me to... Wow, it's exactly what I was looking for a long time. It's a Keep Wet palette. Look at that. It's got 3 wet paper sheets and 12 membrane paper sheets as well. So that's really cool. I'll wait to play with that. Let's pop that there. Let's see what else we have. Oh, we've got a couple of round canvases. This is cotton round canvases, a 30cm diameter, 12 by 12 inches, 320 GSM, and they're really good quality. Look at those. I love it. So 2 of those. Looking forward to painting on these. Put that there. And then we'll see what this is. I've got some golden retarder. It's an additive for slowing the drying time of acrylic paints and mediums. So yeah, I hate the fact that because the heating's on a lot, my paints tend to dry out too quickly, which is why I've got this and the Keep Wet palette. So this will hopefully solve that problem. There we go. Let's see what else we've got. Oh, look at this. Some modelling clay. I ran out actually. I'm surprised I ran out of it, but I have run out, so I'm looking forward to using this. Let's see what paints we have. I've got the titanium white, Amsterdam, a large tube of it. This is 250 millilitres. I tend to get through that quite a lot. And then I've got this lovely colour. This is permanent red violet. I don't have this colour in my arsenal of paint. I'm not going to be looking for that anymore. And what else have we got? I've got a couple of other colours that I needed. These are 120ml. This is permanent red violet light. And then we've got sky blue light. And then we've got a very large 250ml pyro red. And then we've also got a black Amsterdam. These are great paints, great brand. This one is oxide black. Okay, I think that's it. Yep. Yeah, I think that's it for today. So that's my unboxing done. This was from Art, again, just so you know, in the UK. And yep, that's perfect. So I'm super happy with this purchase and can't wait to get painting.